What makes a player's iron sole design optimal? Imagine standing on the tee box, ready to hit a shot that feels just right. The secret often lies in the design of the club's sole, especially for players' irons. These clubs are built for golfers who want to shape shots and control ball flight. The sole is a key part of that control. A player's iron features a narrow sole width. This means the bottom of the club is thinner compared to game improvement irons. A narrow sole helps skilled golfers nip the ball off the turf with a shallow divot. It allows for cleaner strikes and better compression of the ball. This results in more consistent distance and better shot shaping. The leading edge of a player's iron is also carefully crafted. Instead of having a lot of bounce like forgiving clubs, players' irons have a more refined leading edge. This helps the club glide smoothly through the turf. It supports a square face at impact, which is what skilled players prefer. This way, they can hit precise shots without relying on extra bounce to forgive off-center hits. Turf interaction is where the sole design really makes a difference. When the sole glides through the grass correctly, the club face stays stable at impact. This stability prevents fat shots where the club hits too deep or thin shots where it hits too high on the ball. Good turf interaction helps control spin, trajectory, and shot accuracy. The sole should cut through the turf without digging or bouncing excessively, giving players confidence on all lies. The width and shape of the sole influence how the club reacts to the ground. A well-designed sole distributes weight properly, supporting a lower launch angle and tighter shot dispersion. This is different from wider soles that tend to produce higher shots and more forgiveness. Players' irons prioritize shot control and shaping over maximum forgiveness. Manufacturers now highlight sole technology more because it sets their clubs apart. Some use dual sole designs that add bounce strategically, helping with different turf conditions. Others work with wedge specialists to craft soles that perform well across the entire set. The best players' irons combine minimal offset, a compact head, and a thin top line with a sole that interacts perfectly with the turf. The sole design must work well with the shaft and overall club head shape. When combined, a narrow sole, a refined leading edge, and proper weight distribution give skilled golfers the tools to control their shots. They can shape the ball, control the flight, and hit consistent shots from any lie. That's what makes a player's iron sole design truly optimal for advanced golfers.